Hi guys, how to download Roblox on laptop. Now, open your preferred web browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge works best, and go to the official website at roblox.com. Make sure it's the real site, not a fake copy. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Don't have one yet? You'll need to sign up first, and it's free and takes less than 2 minutes. This step trips up a lot of new players. Browse through the games on the homepage and pick any game that looks fun. Once the game page opens, click the large green play button. Keep watching because the next step is where most people get stuck. A pop-up will appear saying, Roblox isn't installed yet. Click download and install Roblox. Save the file to your computer, then open the downloaded file to begin installation. Here's a pro tip. Don't close your browser until the installer finishes. Once the installation is successful, click OK. Go back to the game page, click the play button again, and when the browser prompt appears, select Open Roblox. That's it. You're in.